Hello, welcome to the automatiqra language page, and I'm excited for you to join us. Are you interested in learning English? Wonderful. Automatiqra is an online speaking program where we help anyone who wants to learn to develop their English skills. If you want to learn to speak back, this is for anyone who wants to learn how to speak back quickly with confidence. The automatiqra program was built to help anyone who's having problems with confidence speaking English, who's nervous or shy when they speak to native English speakers. So it will build your skills, your speaking skills. In the automatiqra program, you'll find many people who want to help each other to develop their speaking skills. Calls daily. We work on different tasks to help you grow your English skills. So please, if you're interested, call the numbers below and register today so you can take advantage. I do believe you will benefit greatly from this program, and I'm excited. We have coaches from different parts of the world who speak fluent English as well. So you get an opportunity to work with them, and there's also incentives and rewards for you. So join us at automatiqra. Thank you so much.